Welcome back to Future Fuel, where we ignite your passion for the future of mobility. Today, we're diving into the rebirth of an automotive legend, the 2025 Citroen D21, a car that doesn't just look to the future, but brings a piece of the past along for the ride. The original DS21 made waves in the mid-20th century with its avant-garde design and groundbreaking technology. Citroën is paying homage to this classic by blending its iconic heritage with cutting-edge innovation. Let's explore how this modern marvel redefines luxury, technology, and style. Design that defies time. The 2025 DS21 retains the signature flair of its predecessor while embracing the language of modern automotive design. Its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette is instantly recognizable, with a long hood, floating roofline, and distinct LED lighting. The front end features slim adaptive headlights, flanking a futuristic interpretation of the DS badge. What makes the design truly remarkable is the attention to detail. Every line, curve, and crease serves a purpose, from optimizing aerodynamics to evoking nostalgia. The vehicle's two-tone paint options further enhance its visual appeal, with contrasting colors that harken back to the 1950s and 60s era of the original DS21. Revolutionary interior. Step inside the new DS21 and you're greeted by a cabin that combines retro elegance with state-of-the-art tech. Premium materials like leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable wood finishes envelop the interior, creating an atmosphere of refined luxury. The centerpiece is a minimalist dashboard with a curved OLED display that spans the width of the car. This screen integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics seamlessly, controlled through voice commands or haptic touch inputs. Citroen's advanced bubble comfort seats, inspired by the original DS, provide exceptional support and relaxation for all occupants. The ambient lighting is fully customizable, and a built-in fragrance diffuser ensures that every journey is as luxurious as it is comfortable. Passengers also enjoy an immersive audio experience thanks to the state-of-the-art sound system designed in collaboration with premium audio brands. Performance meets sustainability. Under the hood, the 2025 Citroen DS21 doesn't rely on a conventional internal combustion engine. Instead, it's powered by a fully electric drivetrain, delivering up to 400 horsepower and 500 lb-ff of torque. The DS21 offers brisk acceleration, going from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.2 seconds, while maintaining a smooth and quiet ride, a hallmark of Citroen's engineering prowess. The car is equipped with a 100 kW battery pack, providing an impressive range of up to 400 miles on a single charge. Thanks to Citroen's advanced regenerative braking system and intelligent energy management, efficiency is maximized even in stop-and-go traffic. Fast charging capabilities allow the battery to be charged from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime on long road trips. Technical marvel. The DS21 doesn't just rely on its electric powertrain to impress, it's also packed with cutting-edge technology. Citroen's latest autonomous driving suite, called DS Pilot, allows for Level 3 autonomy on highways. This means the car can handle most driving tasks, letting you sit back and relax while staying alert for emergencies. Augmented reality plays a key role in the driving experience, with a heads-up display projecting navigation, speed, and other critical information directly onto the windshield. The DS21 also includes AI-driven predictive maintenance and over-the-air software updates, keeping the car at peak performance throughout its lifespan. a statement on sustainability. Citroën has committed to sustainability in every aspect of the DS21's production. The car is built using recycled and eco-friendly materials wherever possible, and the manufacturing process is powered by renewable energy. Citroën even offers a second life program for the battery, ensuring it remains useful even after its time in the car has ended. The DS21 legacy lives on. The 2025 Citroen DS21 is more than just a car. It's a statement of what the future of luxury and sustainability can look like. By honoring its past and pushing the boundaries of innovation, Citroën has created a vehicle that's as timeless as the original DS21. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Citroen DS21. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Future Fuel for more exciting insights into the cars of tomorrow. See you next time.